Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy in the microwave. First, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of light corn syrup, and a few drops of your favorite food coloring in a microwave-safe bowl. Stir these ingredients thoroughly with a whisk until they are well blended. Ensure your baking sheet is ready with parchment paper to receive the hot sugar mixture. This preparation is key for a smooth process. Now place your bowl in the microwave and heat it on high for 2 to 3 minutes. Watch it closely to prevent burning. Once heated, carefully remove the bowl and stir the hot, melted sugar mixture. It will be very hot, so exercise caution. Dip a fork into the mixture and quickly pull it upwards, creating thin, delicate strands of cotton candy. Repeat this motion over your prepared parchment paper. Speed is essential when making microwave cotton candy, as the sugar cools and hardens rapidly. If your mixture becomes too thick to pull strands, simply reheat it in the microwave for 15-second intervals until it's workable again. Don't be afraid to experiment with various flavor extracts, like vanilla or strawberry, to create unique and delicious cotton candy flavors. Practice makes perfect for achieving those airy, sweet clouds. Your homemade microwave cotton candy is now ready to enjoy. It's best served immediately to experience its light, fluffy texture. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container, though it's truly best fresh. This fun, simple method brings the carnival right to your kitchen. For more great tips and other fantastic deals, including a link to an amazing new reading device, be sure to check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.